$15 for 7.5 pounds of pork shoulder. We're gonna have some fun with this one. You're not gonna wanna miss it. I'm gonna leave it marinating for maybe 2 hours at most. And I wanna have some tacos tonight. 2 whole garlics that I have chopped up in here. All right, it's a lot. Those pickles you finished up, don't throw away the pickle juice. No. Put it into this as a marinade. It's got a lot of the ingredients that you need to make this pork shoulder magic. This is some bitter orange mix. Oregano. Salt. Pepper. My wooden spoon. Let's mix this up really well. Let's work on this bad boy. Not gonna do much to it. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna poke holes into it. I'm gonna put it right in there. And I'm gonna put it in the fridge. After about 2 hours in the fridge, pork shoulder has been marinated. You can leave this overnight if you really want to penetrate that meat. Skin side up. I'm gonna take my marinade. I'm gonna pour it all right in there. Mojo. We're gonna put some onions here at the bottom. And it's basically going to sit right on top of these onions. You can put some salt along the top. My lid, I'm gonna set it and forget it. The oven just hit 300 degrees. It's time to put my pork in. That's it. It's been 6 hours. It's time to pull out the pork shoulder, lift up the heat, lift up the rack, put it back in without the lid. Let's go. Wow, look at that beauty. It's been at 300. We're gonna get this up to 425. Let's get it back in. We're gonna leave that in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let's get this pork shoulder out. So this pork shoulder is gonna need to rest at least 10 minutes. All right, let's see what's popping. We got some bones in here. They come right out. And now we can just cut this apart. We make tacos and we enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Follow for more amazing recipes.